Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open up and see what's inside. Okay, a box here. It's a plain white box. Looks like it's a camping utility utensil set. A fork, bottle opener. Sure you can move that. Doesn't seem like it. Spoon, a knife, and the bottle opener, you just leave it there. So yeah, that is it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.